Morning guys, and today we have this Dodge SRT Charger Hemi 392, and we came here for polish. As you can see, we have already equipped the tapes. We have cleaned the car thoroughly. We have washed it, prepared for now polish. We have equipped the tapes. As you can see, the front bonnet is you have applied vinyl paper, so we can't polish over here, but the body has a lot of scratches. As you can see over here, there are scratches, and we'll apply plastic. As you can see, we have already cut a piece of plastic over here. We'll cover this hole with plastic. We have equipped tapes over the whole body, and we have a lot of scratches on the top of the car, but fortunately we don't have any type of debris or abrasive on the paint of this car, so we are not going to apply this clay bar, so we'll be directly moving on to polish. Before polishing, we have cleaned the engine. Let me show you the engine. So this is the engine. We have cleaned the engine. We have cleaned with Koshkemi GS Green Star. As you can see, this is the Green Star from Koshkemi. We have applied, we have used one part of Koshkemi GS with 5 parts to 10 parts of water. It is recommended to use 1:5 to 1:30, 1 part GS, 5 part water, up to 30 parts of water you can use based on what type of cleaning you are going to do. So we have used this, we have prepared two solution. First solution, we have 1 part GS, 5 part water, 1:5, which is 1:5, and the second part is 1 part water and 1 part GS and 10 parts water, which is 1:10. So we have prepared two solutions and we have applied, and the results are good. So as you can see, we have cleaned each and every corner of this engine. The engine is a bit mess, so the detailing of this engine cleaning, or you can say the engine bay cleaning, is good. And right now we have also applied the motor blast from Koshkemi. Let me show you the motor blast. So this is the motor blast from Koshkemi. We have made a solution from 1 part motor blast and 2 part water mixed with, and we have sprayed it all over the engine to make it shine. As you can see, this we have a vinyl spoiler over here. We have this is fully vinyl. This is covered with a black vinyl paper, and this one is plastic. We have added another spoiler the customer has added, so we will be not polishing over here. We will be just covering up with tapes. As we have covered up the lights, we have covered up the logos, both logos, and this is by Smart Behave. They have modified this car. I think inside they have equipped the tapes. As you can see, there are some vinyl paper, or tinted paper, so it makes a black look. The overall car looks good, and this is a purple car. The scratches are visible, so we need to apply polish. It will be going to be a bit hard, but I think the results will be very good. So right now, as you can see, inside we have cleaned this inside. We have applied, we have cleaned the seats, everything. We have already cleaned, but we have just cleaned a normal clean. We have applied vacuum. We have applied GS, and this is 392. As you can see, there is a logo over here from Dodge SRT, and this is how the inside looks. So over here we have a bit of scratches over here. As you can see, this is the white scratches. This will be removed using the heavy cut, but there are some scratches which cannot be removed. I will show you right now. As you can see over here, there are some scratches. This is a very deep scratches, so it cannot be removed. Let me zoom it. Yes, as you can see now, these scratches are not going to remove because the paint has already been peeled off, and it doesn't matter how much you apply these chemical or compound from Koshkemi or any other compound, this is not going to do. But this white will be gone, but the scratch marks will still remain. So without any further ado, we will start the polish, and let's see how the car looks like. Before that, we will just going to brief about on which chemical we are going to use. So for the first compound, we will be using the HSV cut from Koshkemi, and this gives a clean look. This remove all the scratches, all the swirls, straight cuts, round swirls, everything which we can remove, we will be removing with this. After that, we will going to with M3. This gives us a micro cut finish. It gives a little bit of shine, but in comparison of P3, it doesn't give as much shine as P3. So most of the time we will go with a heavy cut, and after that we will go with the P3, which is a micro cut and finish. It gives a good shine as well as a good and a type of scratches. It will remove a little bit of scratches and it gives a good finish. So combination of P3 and H10 is recommended, and for car which have less scratches. For more scratches we will recommend use first of H9 and M3. Sometimes you use 3, and let's see how the car looks like. Okay, so moving on, we have another item. So moving on, we have this Carwax Hydrowax 490. It gives us a gloss finish as well as protection. So whenever you apply this polish, what we have this wax gives us a maybe 1 to 3 months of durability, and some this is a compound which is a this is a little bit of solvent solution. It is not hard as the wax which you get paste from. This is a paste from. We'll just apply on the pad and we'll just rub it with our machine maybe one time, and this gives us a very good finish and protects your paint from UV rays and other UV rays, maybe dust particles, maybe rains. But the durability of this product is I would say 3 months. But if you want to get more durability, you can move to liquid spray such as nano ceramic spray. They are available in the market, so you can just go with that. Now we have a graphite. We have a new graphite coming to the market, maybe early at 2022, but we are not using this graphite right now. We are just we have used Hydrowax and Hydropolish. So first of all, we will be using all this compound, and after that we will moving with Hydrowax. And for chrome, we will be using the chrome polish, and after that we may use the glass is already clean, so we are not going to use any glass cleaner, and we will just start with polishing after equipping these plastics, and let's see how the car looks like. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, and I will just watch you in the next video. Okay guys, so right now we have finished the polish. As you can see, the body of the car looks good. We have applied the Koshkumi heavy cut, followed by micro cut, and followed by micro cut on finish. It gives a very smooth and finishing look. We have also applied a paint sealant so that when the car comes outside, the paint will get protection. So generally we have a 3 months duration. In 3 months we keep guarantee that we offer that the paint will not become any type of dull or any type of abrasives, but it depends on how the customer treats its car. As you can see, the car is all beautiful and shiny, all reflective like a mirror finish. As you can see over here, the color of this car is purple, and I think it's ready for delivery now. And we have applied the tire polish, we have cleaned the tires, we have cleaned each and every corner of this car, and right now it's ready for delivery. For this bonnet of this car, it was a black vinyl, so we cannot we don't need to polish this car, this part, and apart from this we have polished each and every corner. The lights over here has a bit of accidents, so we are not going to fix it, but it's all good now, so it's ready for delivery. I hope you all like it. And this video, as you can see, this is the Charger SRT, and this was a Scat backpack. I think it is modified by Scat backpack, and now it's ready for delivery. Let me know in the comments how you like this video and what you need in the next video. And thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share our videos to your friends and other members. Thank you very much, and I will just meet you in the next video. Tata.